Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make scrambled eggs in a rice cooker. First, gather your ingredients: 2 to 3 large eggs, a splash of milk, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Next, lightly grease the inner pot of your rice cooker with a small amount of butter or cooking oil. Then, in a separate bowl, whisk your eggs, milk, salt, and pepper together until well combined and slightly frothy. This ensures a fluffy texture. Once your egg mixture is ready, carefully pour it into the greased rice cooker pot. Close the lid and select the steam or warm setting if available. If not, the cook setting will work, but watch it closely. Stir the eggs gently every 2 to 3 minutes using a silicone spatula. This prevents sticking and helps achieve that perfect scrambled texture. Continue until they are mostly set. Continue cooking until the eggs are mostly set but still appear slightly moist. This ensures they remain creamy and don't dry out. Once cooked to your liking, immediately remove the inner pot from the rice cooker to stop the cooking process. Transfer your perfectly scrambled eggs to a plate. Garnish with fresh herbs if desired, and serve them hot. Enjoy this incredibly easy and convenient breakfast. For an extra boost of flavor, consider adding shredded cheese, diced bell peppers, or spinach to your egg mixture before cooking. You can also adjust the cooking time to achieve your preferred egg consistency, whether you like them softer or firmer. This method is fantastic for busy mornings or when you're short on stovetop space. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.